Are you tired of living a life of shortcomings and unable to achieve your financial dreams? Do you want to know what sacrifices you need to make to attain wealth? Well, this video is just for you. In the next few minutes, you'll discover the 10 sacrifices you must make in your life to create wealth and how you can apply them right now to achieve what you've always desired. So, if you're willing to do whatever it takes to reach your dreams and wealth, join us on this journey and find out how you can transform your life today. Let's dive in. 1. Stop having a toxic relationship with money. If you think money is evil, then you're probably in a toxic relationship with it, making it difficult to reach your financial goals. Money is a powerful tool that can enhance your life and help you achieve your goals. But if you have a negative attitude towards money, you might feel uncomfortable or even guilty about the thought of having wealth. It's important to remember that money isn't inherently good or bad. It's simply a means of exchange. It's how we use money that determines whether it has a positive or negative impact on our lives. Therefore, it's important to work on the mindset and thought patterns that may be limiting your ability to have a healthy and prosperous relationship with money. 2. Stop blaming others. If we want to succeed financially and create wealth, we must stop blaming others for our current situation and take responsibility for our lives. Blaming the government, our parents, or other people for our financial difficulties only leaves us feeling helpless and unable to change our situation. However, when we take responsibility for our lives and our financial success, we take control of our situation and can make positive changes to improve any aspect of our lives. 3. Stop spending money on unnecessary things. Often we get carried away by impulses and spend money on things we don't really need. Instead of investing in our education, business, or assets that can generate income, we splurge on expensive clothes we never wear, subscribe to platforms we rarely use, or eat out frequently, sometimes buying brand name items just to show off when there are cheaper alternatives that offer the same service or benefit. By controlling our expenses and spending money wisely, we can save much more money and use it to invest in our own wealth. 4. Stop hanging out with people with a poverty mindset. If we want to achieve financial success, it's essential to stay away from people with a poverty mindset. These people tend to limit our way of thinking and acting regarding money, making us settle for less and only see the negative side of things. When we surround ourselves with people with a wealth mindset, we can gain new perspectives and learn from their experiences, which can help us improve our financial situation and achieve our short, medium, and long-term goals. 5. Stop envying others' financial success. One of the biggest barriers to achieving financial success is envy. There will always be people who have more money than us, but envying their success only limits us and prevents us from focusing on our own growth opportunities. Instead of envying, we should learn from those who have achieved wealth and take steps to improve our own financial situation by focusing on our own path to success. By doing so, we can create a healthy and positive relationship with money. So instead of envying someone's success, admire them and try to learn from them. 6. Stop thinking about the weekend and start thinking about your future. If we want to achieve financial success, it's important to stop focusing on the weekend and immediate present and start thinking about our financial future. This involves setting long-term goals and consistently working towards them instead of spending our money on temporary pleasures. By investing in our education, our business, or investment opportunities that can generate higher income in the future, we can build a solid foundation for our wealth and ensure a prosperous financial future. 7. Stop wasting your valuable time on social media. Social media can be a major distraction and cause you to waste valuable time that could be spent on more productive activities. Instead of spending hours scrolling through social media, focus on productive activities that will bring you closer to your goals, such as learning new skills, building business relationships, or working on your own business idea or project. Remember that time is a limited and very valuable resource, so use it wisely to achieve financial success. 8. Stop having a scarcity mindset and educate yourself financially. Many people live with a scarcity mindset, thinking that money is limited and there isn't enough for everyone. However, money is extremely abundant and available to those who know how to seize it and make it grow. Financial education is essential to learn how to manage money wisely and effectively and break free from the scarcity mindset. Instead of thinking in terms of lacking, focus on opportunities and how you can improve your finances. Watching this type of content or reading books on finance and financial education can make a huge difference in your life in the future. 9. Stop procrastinating and take constant action. If you want to achieve something in life, you must stop procrastinating and take massive action. Time is a limited and precious resource, and if you keep postponing things for tomorrow, next week, or maybe next year, you'll never reach your goals. Every small step you take will bring you closer to your dreams, so please act now. 10. Say goodbye to the fear of what others will say. Stop worrying about what others think is key to achieving financial success and freedom. People limit themselves out of fear of being judged or criticized for their financial actions. Remember that your financial life is your responsibility, and you should make decisions that benefit you and your future instead of worrying about what others think. Focus on your financial goals and take action to achieve them. Your financial life is yours and yours alone, and it's up to you to take the necessary steps to achieve wealth and freedom. So, are you ready to embark on this journey towards wealth and financial freedom? Remember, wealth and financial freedom are possible for everyone, and it's up to you to take the necessary steps to achieve them. Let us accompany you on this tour. If you enjoyed the information today, please like and subscribe to see more valuable content.